Alright, YouTube, I got this other video right here for y'all on my 2008 Chevy Silverado. So this is my work truck. What happened is that I was on the road, and I was about 3 hours away from home, and it freaking stalled on me while I was at the park. So what happened is that this control module, this fuel control module went out. I guess it said whenever you turn on the truck, this right here regulates and signals back to the computer to let the fuel pump run in pulses. So what happened, it stops working, and your truck basically stops working. So what I had to do is I had to bypass this damn module to get me back on the road, because I was 3 hours away from home. So what I did is I hang this wire into the fuel pump wire to bypass it, meaning I just basically ran this wire all the way to the battery. I followed it all the way through the bottom, ran it, and I ran it all the way to the switch. You can hear my pump come on. So that's what turns my pump on. So that right here goes into the switch, and from the switch it goes to the battery. And I was able to get my truck back on the road to bring it back home. So there's the wire, comes all along, and it connects to the battery, to the positive only. So I was able to come back home. And a lot of people say, you shouldn't do that or whatnot. Well, I had to do it because I had to get back home. But I've been driving this thing like this for about 10,000 miles, I swear, no lie. Back and forth. I drive this on a daily basis. I just get on the truck, come in here, turn the switch on. Truck runs perfectly. And of course the light on, the check engine light on is on because it says that the fuel control module is not working or whatnot. But that's fine. I can run it like this for forever. I don't have troubles on the highway. I don't have no differences. Actually, the only difference is that my fuel average went up. It used to be like at 12.9. Now it's like at 15. So that's good. In case you ever run out